Hey guys, welcome back to my flat and welcome to my furnished home tour. Come in. So in case you're new here, I recently bought a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the borough of Bexley, and over the past 6 months or so I've been trying to furnish this apartment in a whole panoramic. I'm going to make sure to follow the same structure of my empty house tour. So I'm going to start with the first bedroom, which is the small bedroom, which is also my bedroom. So come inside. This is my bedroom. Come inside, take a look around, because I'm not gonna lie, this is the one that I'm quite proud of. I think you guys can probably get a vibe. I'm going for a natural beige brown type of theme, and I think, if I do say so myself, I've managed to somewhat successfully achieve it. I'm really happy with the theme. I'm gonna just draw out a few highlights or a few things that I'm quite proud of when it comes to this room. So we start off with the bed. It's a bedroom, right? The bed wasn't the color I was trying to go for, I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanted to go for an ivory or beige type of bed. It's giving me sickly green, but this is what happens when you're shopping for beds online, but we're going for it anyway. The bedroom furniture is all from eBay, and so really affordable. So the bedside table, the wardrobe, the chest of drawers, all beige brown themed vibe thing going on, and they're all matching. I absolutely love it, and it was really affordable. And my clock, I absolutely love my clock. It's gold. So not really the exact color, but I had to get it. I got it from Dunelm as well. Absolutely love it, and I think it's one of the best features of the room. And now the highlight of not only this room, but of this whole flat. I'm so excited to tell you guys, first of all, that this video is in collaboration with our lovely friends at Desenio. And in saying that, I can introduce to you guys the wonderful gallery wall that I have in my bedroom. Now, this gallery wall is not complete, unfortunately. There is meant to be a wonderful small print of palm trees on the left, but where I got my frames from, they didn't complete the order, so I'm still waiting for that. But I'm definitely going to show you guys the updated gallery wall in a future video. Okay guys, so this is basically what I'm trying to get. The frame that's in this picture is not the perfect color of like the whole gallery wall, but it's close enough at the moment. Hopefully I do eventually get the last frame and everything will come together, but right now this is probably just like my temporary sort of fix, and hopefully you guys get an idea. So yeah, this is it. But as you can see, hopefully from the aesthetic that you can see here, I was definitely going for a sanctuary, relaxing, seaside beach vibe, but also a pink hue going through all of my prints. And Desenio is such a wonderful company where you are able to find prints to suit any taste, and I'm so excited to also share a discount coupon code. So Desenio, in case you haven't heard, I'm sure you have, if you're into home content like me, you've definitely heard of Desenio, but in case you haven't heard of Desenio, they are a affordable wall art brand, and they have a variety of prints and frames available for you. So no matter what your taste is, that you will definitely find something on Desenio's website. So make sure you definitely check them out. They are available worldwide, so wherever you're watching this video, hello, hi, but also you can definitely go on Desenio's website and you'll be able to find something to suit your taste, and they'll be able to ship to you, including the US, within 5 days. Even in the UK, I was able to order from Desenio, and they got my order to me within a week. In fact, they missed something off my order. I called customer service and they got something express shipped to me within 2 days. It was wonderful. Their customer service is superb, if I do say so myself. So I'm really happy with Desenio, and I'm really excited to share them with you. I can definitely give them 2 thumbs up from me. Desenio is a great brand. They're also a sustainable brand, so as much as they are providing prints for us, they're doing their bit for the environment. I'm really excited to be partnering with them today, and I'm also excited to say that if you use my code, yes that's right, I've got a code for you guys today, you can get a whopping 35% 25% off your order if you shop with my code. And you need to make sure you use this code because it's only available 1st of June as you're watching this video up until the 10th of June. Now it's not available on handpicked and personalized prints or frames, but it's available on everything else on the website. So everything else on the website other than those 3 things is available for the taking. So make sure you check it out. And 35% is a really good discount. I used the gallery wall tool to put this together because, like I said, my eye for design is not always there. So I was able to actually go on the website, put these prints together, and then see how I wanted to place them, and then just basically add it to the checkout, add it to the basket, and here it is together. So I wasn't able to do this by myself. This is just how it came out, and I'm just really happy to be able to collaborate with such a great brand today. Thank you so much, Desenio, for collaborating with me and gifting me these wonderful prints. And I'm very excited to also show you the prints and frames in the living room, which you will see later on in the video as well. So yeah, it's very lit. Let's go on to the next room, which was the bathroom. I think it was the bathroom. Not much to show, but still a work in progress, I guess. Like, I really wanted things to match, so I wanted like my bin, basket, and like toilet roll holder to match, but I haven't been able to find things in a color that I'm happy with, so very much still a work in progress. So hopefully at one point I'll be able to show you guys like what I really like. I'm really happy with this bathroom, but I think I'm gonna really need to keep searching a lot of websites to see something that I'm happy with. That's the bathroom as it is at the moment. Let's go to the second bedroom, which is my office. If you guys remember, that's what I planned to make it. So welcome to my office area. You guys can take a look around. There's a lot going on. And I'm gonna again just draw out a few highlights, but this room is definitely again still a work in progress. I'm not as proud of this room as I was of the bedroom. So yeah, so let's first start off with the DIY desk. I wasn't able to find the exact desk I wanted, so I had to DIY it. What you will see is that the legs of the desk are made using IKEA Kallax shelves, so the cube shelves. I haven't got them exactly as I want, and they're still a bit messy at the moment, so don't look at it for too long. But yeah, that's what I've used to make the legs of the desk. And then the top of the desk is actually a furniture panel from B&Q. It's grey, but ideally I wanted it black. But what I found, especially in this pandemic, is that it's really hard to find black furniture. So yeah, long term, hopefully it will be an all black desk, but for now, I'm going with grey and settling with that since it's still, I guess, part of the aesthetic. But oh, I love this keyboard as well. It's like a multicolored keyboard, glows in the dark and stuff. I love it. And I also got like a desk tidy with a wireless charger, which I really love. It's just one of those things that like really, it's just really convenient when you're working from home and stuff. So having an extra long desk is just, I absolutely love it. Maybe might do a desk tour in a future video because I love those type of videos. I've also got 2 black bookcases on either side of the bed that is in this room. So what you're gonna see is that there's a sort of symmetrical vibe going on the other side of the office area. Eventually I'm trying to go for a sort of talk show couch vibe. That's what I've realized. That's what my friend has highlighted to me. That's probably the vibe I'm going for. It's going to be a day bed, and there's going to be like, yeah, just features on either side. So that's what I'm going for. A few things I wanted to highlight in my bookcase. I've got my Augustina diffusers, of course. If you ever need a diffuser, holler at Augustina. A link will be in the description box. I'm all about things smelling nice. It's very important to me. In my other bookcase, I've also got like my Power magazine. They just did the recent resilience cover. They were amazing. So I'm just really excited to have those magazines there. So they look really nice in my bookcase. Long term, I really need to just zhuzh up this space a little bit more. I want to get RGB lights that would make it multicolored. So yeah, there's still so much to do with this office. It's very much a work in progress, but you know, this is what I'm doing for now. Oh, and the frames at the top are actually frames that I got from a giveaway from I Am Maine, which is a black owned business on Instagram. Definitely check her out. They're just so stunning. I just love these. Let's head to the kitchen next. Oh, before we head to the kitchen actually, slight update on a few things in the hallway. This little white box that I didn't know what it was before, turns out this is the thing that controls the heating. Controls the heating without my knowledge, and racked up a £300 bill with British Gas. Anybody that follows me on Instagram knew about that ordeal, and yeah, had to learn that the hard way. So now that is off all the time. This is underfloor heating actually, which I found out through Lydia Dinger when I was watching her Reno vlogs. That's how I was able to find out that this actually doesn't control all the heating in my house and actually only controls the underfloor heating in the bathroom. And I basically don't turn this on and I never need it. Like, let's head to the kitchen. So there's not much to update you in the kitchen. I just wanted to bring you here. So the main things here, I guess, is just that I have a kettle and a coffee machine, which is always fun, I guess. I'm just sticking with a black theme in the kitchen, trying to go for like black, transparent type of, what's the word? Utensils? It's not utensils, but like things, basically. I don't know what it is. But that's basically what I'm going for. I want to do a future video, kitchen organization video, definitely coming. I can't wait to do that, so that's definitely upcoming. But also, one of the prints that I got is for the kitchen. I just need to get a frame for it, which I hope to get from IKEA at some point. It will either go here or here. It's a coffee, I got a coffee one and I got a lime one. So I'm not sure which one I want to put there. I might put both of them, who knows. So one of them says you are sour in the sweetest way, and then one of them is like the art of making coffee. And so you guys will see that in the description box as well. So if you're wondering where those are gonna go, they're gonna come in the kitchen because they're very much like, you know, kitchen ones. Or I might end up putting it in between the sink as well, so that it's like in the middle. So that's where I plan to put those prints. I just need to find a frame to put it in. That's an update on the kitchen. Not much to say, but the main event, the one that we're always waiting for, the beautiful thing that is the living room. Delighted to show you guys. I have a sofa, I have an armchair, I have a footstool, and I have these stunning Desenio prints. So those are the main things I want to show you guys. Let's start with the prints, of course. So another gallery wall. And I'm really proud of this. Again, I used the gallery wall feature to do this. I put an abstract print in the middle and then put the winter sun and winter sunset, winter morning and winter sunset on the edges. I think it looks stunning, and it's always nice to have gallery wall on top of the sofa. It looks so good. The sofas, armchair, footstool, all from DFS, all X showroom range, because the waiting times for sofas are an absolute disaster. Especially in a pandemic, it was absolutely crazy. It was 16 weeks, 25 weeks. So to get X showroom, they were telling me it was about a week, 2 weeks, but then in the end it still ended up being 2 months. It was still worth it. It's still pretty good. I think it's black and charcoal grey. So very nice. I still need to get a rug and a coffee table, so that's what I want to get long term, but I don't want my living room to end up being somewhere that is just black and white or black and grey. So I still want there to be an accent colour. So that's why I'm going to take my time with finding a rug and finding a coffee table, because I want it to be somewhere. I just don't want to fall into a black and white aesthetic. So that's why that isn't there yet, but hopefully in an updated video I'll be able to show you guys what I end up doing there. I think that was everything. Oh, last thing as well, my smart home is coming together nicely. It's getting there. Okay Google, how are you doing?
I'm grand, thanks. What can I do for you?
Nothing for now.
No problem.
So nice. It's so nice to know that I have a Google Assistant in my home. So yeah, I have a Google Nest in my kitchen and in my office, and then I need to get one more for my bedroom. It's just really improves the accessibility and controls it controls my floor lamp, controls my bedside lamp, and I'm hoping to get some more smart bulbs, my Chromecast in my bedroom as well. It controls a few things, so I'm really loving how my smart home is coming together. I can do a feature video about that as well. So yeah, really happy with how things are coming out. Definitely subscribe if you're into this content. If you have any suggestions, have any questions, definitely let me know down below as well. Again, Desenio, thank you so much for collaborating with me for this video. Been so excited to be able to put this flat together and to really spruce up everything. It's really elevated it all. So I think that's everything. I think that's everything. And if that is everything, it means you kind of gotta get out of here. So Mom, I'm trying to go. It's time to go. All right. I'll see you later. Yeah? Take care. Bye. No, say bye.